Apple has launched his iPhone 12 lineup with a huge number of new characteristics that make the iPhone one of the best smartphones in the market, including the iPhone 12 mini, which is a tinier version of the iPhone 12 and promises to be a great phone for a lot of people. Before we start with the video, please make sure to subscribe and to hit the like button if you like my content. So, let's start with the video. The iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 mini have a serious number of similarities. First of all, we can see that the design is exactly the same with that huge notch and tiny bezels, and the sharp edges which Apple tried to emulate from the iPhone 5, but the 12 mini is much smaller. Also, both come with just one port being an USB-C, which is compatible with any type of cables and not only cables exclusively from Apple. In my opinion, this is very beneficial, because you don't have to spend a lot of money to get a charger. But the only downside to this is that maybe you won't be able to get the full charging speed, because the charger will not be specifically for that phone. Both phones also share the processor, which is an A14 Bionic, and the display, that is an OLED Super Retina XDR display, which comes with the new ceramic shield technology, a new type of resistant glass which, according to Apple, it is 4 times more resistant than before when falling out of the pocket. Also, the A14 Bionic processor that comes in both phones is the first processor for mobiles with 5nm technology, making it the most powerful chip in a smartphone that will have the perfect balance between power and battery autonomy. More similarities between the 12 and 12 mini are that both come with the technology Apple has implemented last year in the iPhone 11, which is MagSafe, a magnetic technology that allows us to connect different accessories such as phone cases. MagSafe also has improvements in wireless charging, making it easier and faster. In addition, both phones also have 5G connectivity, which is one of the most anticipated and most important features of this smartphone, and for the first time Apple includes it in one of its phones. In terms of the cameras, both share the ability to record video in 4K Dolby Vision, a functionality that is new in the smartphone industry. And for those who don't know what 4K Dolby Vision is, basically you will be able to record very high quality videos, and at the same time you will be able to edit Dolby Vision videos from the photo app or iMovie, or from your iPhone. Despite sharing the ability to record video in 4K, they don't have the same ability in the photo level. Though both phones have two cameras with 12 megapixels each, the iPhone 12 has an improved telephoto camera and a larger sensor for a better low light performance, making it better in photos than the iPhone 12 mini. Another obvious difference between the two phones is the size, since the iPhone 12 mini is way smaller than the iPhone 12, but not as small as the iPhone SE 2020, which measures 4.7 inches. But the thing that makes the 12 mini very appealing is the fact that the device still manages to have much of the functionalities of the bigger iPhones. Besides, there's nothing in the market like this, and you really can't find a small phone with flagship specs like a great camera, a great screen, and a very powerful processor. I think the iPhone 12 mini is going to satisfy a very specific market that really wants a phone that is not too big so it can fit perfectly in their pocket, but at the same time be very powerful. But there's still that side of people who want a big phone and enjoy watching multimedia content and having all the characteristics that come with a bigger phone. So I think the iPhone 12 is perfect for that type of people. Another reason that makes the 12 mini a very appealing phone for a lot of people is its price difference compared to the iPhone 12, since the 12 mini has a starting price of $699 and the regular iPhone 12 costs $100 more, starting at $799, making the iPhone 12 mini an amazing choice for people with a more budget-friendly pocket. Lastly, I want to say that the iPhone 12 mini really is an amazing move from Apple, for aiming to a huge amount of people who want a relatively cheap and powerful phone, and it really has nothing to envy the iPhone 12. So guys, let me know down in the comments what you think about the iPhone 12 and 12 mini, And which one do you prefer? Thank you guys for watching and don't forget to hit the like button. See you soon and take care.